Hello. My name is Saul. I'm a mortgage broker from Sydney. I'm based in Sydney, but I can help anyone with home loan anywhere in Australia because these days we do it online. Okay. Why you should listen to me? Because I'm a CPA qualified. I have a qualification to guide you and set you up the loan the right way so you pay off quicker, and I also set you the right way so you have room to build up your wealth through property investment. Okay, and I also do your loan as if my own, and my service is free to you. Okay, today I'm gonna talk about how to buy a home in 2021. Doesn't matter if you are first home buyer or second home buyer, third home buyer, because you don't buy a home every month, but my customer buy homes every month, so I got latest news. So I'll teach you step by step how to buy efficiently, effectively in 2021. Okay, the first step is about first home buyer. People, they want to live where they want to live, right? But then they can't really afford to buy where they want to live. So there's a thing called rent vesting. You live where you want to live and then buy something as a first home buyer and then rent it for the first year, and you can still get government benefit. So you still get a first home and you don't have to live there. You can rent it for the first year. So you can do that as a first home buyer because you may not be able to afford where you want to live. Okay, that's the first thing. Okay, say you can afford where you want to live, or in any case you want to buy a home. Okay, the first step is get a pre-approval from a broker, someone like me, not the bank, because there are like 40 banks, and now like technology so advanced that these days banks don't check your document properly. They just issue you pre-approval quickly. So you think, oh, I can borrow 1 million, I go and find a property. Well, when you find a property, because they don't check your document properly, they don't give you approval. But if you come to a broker like me, we know which bank check the document properly when they give you pre-approval. Okay, so we take you to those banks and we also check the document properly. So if the bank say you can borrow 1 million, when you buy the property, you can actually borrow 1 million. Of course, the only thing pending is how much bank value the property. Okay, that valuation is always pending wherever you go. Okay, so you get a pre-approval from someone like me. Okay, and the third item is, okay, let me put my glasses on. That item is, how property market is too hot, right? So when you look for the property, you have the checklist ready. Have a checklist with all the feature that you want in a property. So when you look for one, it's easy for you. You just tick the checklist, find the best one. Okay, the fourth one is, you got a pre-approval now, you know what you're looking for, so find the right property. So you research your potential home. Okay, so how to research is you look at the home, and then you get when you find the home that you like and you think you can afford the price, and then you get a report from me, and that report will tell you how to give offer. That report will tell you how much the property worth. That report show you the home that's similar to your home sell at this price, recent time, like during 3 months, so you should offer this much. Okay, so you know how to offer the price, what price. And there's also a website called Walk School where you can get a lot of data, so you know how to research the property. So in order to research the potential home, you get a report from me or look up a Walk School website. Okay, and then you got all the data, you like the house, but don't choose from the photo. You actually go and look at the house, and check plumbing, make sure everything working, electricity, make sure the roof not leaking. Lawyer will send professional to check, but before that, if you can check it yourself or you get a professional friend to check it for free, then you save time and money. Okay, so never buy from picture. All the pictures are done by professionals, so go and check everything. Okay, and after you check, if you still like the property, then I already given you the data, so make offer. Okay, and then if the seller accept your offer, then we get a formal approval, what's called formal approval from the bank. When that happen, I have to do formal approval from the bank for you. Lawyer have to check everything properly for you. My lawyer check things that are important before you make an offer anyway, so it save you money and time. But after you make a after you make an offer and the seller accept it, lawyer check everything. Okay, and lawyer check it, I check it, and lawyer send the professional property inspection people to check the property. Okay, so after all that done, you ready to pay 10% deposit. Okay, so you pay deposit and sign the loan contract, wait about 4 weeks. Okay, then you get the home. Okay, so these are the steps you take to buy a home in 2021. Okay, it seems a lot of steps if you first home buyer, or even if you already bought, because you don't buy every month. I can coach you without charge. My service is free to you. I not only give you the money, the loan, I look after you all the way until you get the property. But then after you get the property, you also have the loan. I help you pay off quicker. After you pay off decent amount, I help you build up the your wealth in the property, because property is the safest asset. It's a long-term wealth. If you know how to buy the right property, the value usually go up double in 10 years. Okay, so that's the safest asset, which will make you a lot of wealth in the long run. Okay, so I'm qualified enough, and helping other people is my satisfaction. So I not only give you the loan, I help you through the property journey. Don't worry. So come to me anytime. I also given you my contact number in the post. You can also Facebook message me anytime. Okay, for listening. May you have a good day, good night, good week ahead. Thanks a lot. Okay, bye bye.